You've been driving for years, but chances are you've been misinformed about the very machine you trust with your life. From fuel scams to safety myths, today we're breaking down 10 shocking car facts that most drivers have no idea about. And the truth might just change how you drive forever. Get ready to rethink everything. Let's dive in. And make sure you stay for #7. It's something mechanics never want you to know. 1. Premium gas doesn't mean premium performance. A lot of drivers believe putting premium gas in their car makes it run smoother, faster, and cleaner. But here's the truth. Unless your owner's manual says your car requires premium fuel, you're wasting money. Premium gas has a higher octane, but that only matters for engines designed to handle it. Like in some high-performance or luxury vehicles. If your car doesn't need it, there's zero benefit. No extra horsepower, no better mileage, just a more expensive receipt. 2. Your rearview mirror has a secret night mode. Ever been blinded by headlights behind you at night? You might not know this, but that little tab under your rearview mirror isn't just decorative, it's a manual dimmer. Flip it, and the mirror changes angle to cut glare. It's called day-night mode, and it's been in most cars for decades. Yet millions of drivers still don't use it. It can reduce eye strain, lower your chances of night accidents, and help you stay focused. 3. Warming up your car wastes gas. If you're still idling your car for 10 minutes on cold mornings, you're stuck in the 1980s. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups. In fact, today's fuel-injected cars are ready to go after just 30 seconds. Letting it idle too long actually causes faster engine wear, wastes fuel, and dumps unnecessary emissions into the air. Want to warm up your car? Drive it gently for the first few minutes instead. A missing gas cap? It's not the end of the world. You pull away from the gas station, realize your cap is gone, and panic. Relax. A missing gas cap might trigger your check engine light, but your car won't explode or break down. Most newer vehicles have vapor recovery systems to contain fumes, but short-term, it's not dangerous. Just make sure to replace the cap soon to avoid reduced fuel efficiency or failed emissions tests. 5. Bigger cars aren't always safer. We've all heard the saying, bigger is better, especially when it comes to cars. But more size doesn't automatically equal more safety. SUVs might look tougher, but they also have a higher rollover risk, especially in sharp turns or sudden stops. Meanwhile, some smaller sedans have 5-star crash ratings and advanced safety tech. Always check the crash test scores, not just the size, when buying your next car. 6. Your tires have an expiration date. You look at your tires and they seem fine. Lots of tread, no cracks. But what if I told you? They might still be dangerous. Tires have a shelf life. After 6 years, the rubber begins to break down, even if they look brand new. Heat, UV rays, and age cause them to dry out and lose grip. You can find the manufacturing date on the sidewall. A 4-digit number like 3,218 inches means the 32nd week of 2018. Check it, or risk a blowout on the highway. 7. Using the wrong oil can destroy your engine. That oil bottle with fancy numbers like 5W30 or 10W40. Those numbers matter a lot more than you think. They represent the oil's viscosity, how thick or thin it flows. Using the wrong oil can block your engine in cold weather or fail to protect it in heat, leading to breakdowns or worse. Always match the exact grade listed in your owner's manual. This isn't optional, it's essential. 8. You don't need to change your oil every 3,000 miles. Still changing your oil every 3,000 miles like your grandpa told you? That's outdated. Modern engines using synthetic oil can often last 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles before needing a change. Don't waste your time, or money, doing more than necessary. Follow the recommendation in your manual, not a sticker from a mechanic. 9. Parking in the shade saves fuel. Ever wonder why your gas seems to vanish faster in the summer? Heat causes fuel to evaporate faster, especially in older cars without sealed systems. Parking in direct sunlight not only bakes your interior, but can reduce your fuel efficiency. A little shade goes a long way, and keeps your steering wheel from melting your hands too. 10. Cracked windows don't cool your car. You crack your window, hoping to come back to a cooler car. Bad news, it barely makes a difference. The sun still heats everything inside. A windshield sunshade, tinted windows, or cracking all 4 windows just slightly is far more effective. Better yet, crack your sunroof if you have one. One tiny change can reduce cabin temps by over 10 degrees. Think you're a car expert now? Let me know in the comments. How many of these facts did you not know before today? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Drive Mastery for more car truths, driver tips, and shocking myths you were never taught. See you next time. And remember, driving smart starts with knowing the facts.